Hello guys. Oh sorry. Just to show you na today is Thursday. And since navigation day, we will stay here in our boat. And so guys, you can see daming tao po enjoying their breakfast. And the life is, as I told you before, is mostly becoming normal here in Europe. You only wear your face mask while walking after your meal, and of course when you go to roaming around. So up to there, done po. This side is the right side, and we will go to the left side. So yun, marami pa pong nakapila, and today is I think past 9 or almost 10 o'clock. Dito, pasok mo, kukunan ka ng temperature para sure sila na you are feeling well. So this is the left side. Ito, kita nyo yan. Mga ano lang po yan, yung mga bread na yan, display lang po yan. Ayan, MSC Grandiosa. Ito yung pangalan po ng cruise ship na ito, yung boat na ito. Cute-cute po ng mga bread. Nung una akala namin totoo, yung pala display lang. Ayan, cute bread. So this side tayo sa left side. There, ang haba po ng look at that. Saya-saya, no? After I think 10 almost a year na hindi nag-operate ng boat na to, ng MSC. So it was just I think 4 months ago sila nag-start again. And ayun po, natuloy na kami sa cruise na to. Actually, nung pa dapat itong a year ago. But because of the pandemic, hindi po kami natuloy. Minove nila, and now it's okay. So, natuloy na rin po. Which is, ang sarap sa feeling. First time mo naranasan ito. And with the full family, of course, masaya. And kasama din namin dito ang aming kumare si Maring Agnes, ang anak niya, si Rhea, si Reyna, and si Reyna, kanyang asawa, si Kevin, and may anak silang buhay, mga itong pangalan, ayun na naman, makakalimutin na. At ako ay si Brandon. Kalimutin, medyo nakakalimutin. Alam niyo naman po, aging na. So, yun, hanggang dulo po yun. Nilibot ko kayo, yung gando, at sa terrace, pwede. So, yung nilakarang po yun, kukunan kayo dito. Kasi nilakarang po at nilibot yun. Gagaw na ng bilis. Bilis na bilis na bilis. Uy, nakakain para. Ay, ito. Hello.
Alright na.
Ayun na. Tapos na sila Tapos na sila mag-breakfast. Doon banda sila. So, pinag-breakfast namin. So, yun lang po. Yan. See you around. Bye.